Hello viewers, so welcome as we solve this nice math Olympiad problem. So do you know that 90% failed to work it out? So let's check the mistake that they did. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution, this one is the maths problem that we have. So we have 9 to the power of a, then plus 3 to the power of 2a is equals to 162. So make sure you watch this video up to the end, so you can still comment with us the answers that you've got in case you know how to work it out. So let's now proceed. So here the first thing that we need to do, we need to change 9 to a base and an index. So that means that here now we shall have 3 to the power of 2, then this one into bracket a, then plus also 3 to the power of 2a is equals to 162. So when you work out this one, now shall have 3 to the power of 2a. So 3 to the power of 2a, then plus again 3 to the power of 2a is equals to 162. So our next step is now to factorize, since 3 to the power of 2a plus 3 to the power of 2a is the same. So now we shall have 3 to the power of 2a, then into bracket. So here now shall have 1 plus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 162. So when you work out the number inside the bracket, so that means that shall have 3 to the power of 2a, then into bracket 1 plus 1, that is 2, is equals to 162. So from there now shall divide both sides by 2, so that 2 and 2 shall cancel. So now shall remain with 3 to the power of 2a. So here now shall have 3 to the power of 2a is equals to, here 2 here once, 2 into 162, now shall have 81. So 3 to the power of 2a is equals to 81. So here we need to change 81 to the base and an index. So here now shall have, suppose we have 81, so we can say that our 81 is equals to 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, then 9 again multiplied by 3, we shall have 27, then 27 multiplied by 3, the result shall be 81. So when we now change it into the form of a base and an index, now this one shall be is equals to 3 here, now to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 to the power of 4. So 81 is equivalent to 3 to the power of 4. So in that case now we shall now have 3 to the power of 2a. So 3 to the power of 2a is equals to 3 to the power of 4. So we don't need to indicate it as 81. So here now we shall proceed and now say that we shall now only pick the numbers that are the index. We will no longer pick the base. So now we shall have 2a is equals to 4. So from here now we shall now be able to work out the value of a. So from here now we shall divide both sides by 2. So here also by 2. So that 2 by 2 shall cancel. So our value for a is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 4 now shall be 2. So our value for a is equals to 2. So let's now confirm and verify if it is true. This one is the answer. So let's now have our equation. So our maths problem was 9 to the power of a. So 9 to the power of a, then also plus 3 to the power of 2a is equals to 162. So here now we shall now have, where is a? We shall write it with 2. So now we shall now have 9 to the power of 2, then plus 3 to the power of 2, then into bracket 2 is equals to 162. So here now we shall write it by saying that 9 to the power of 2 plus now 3 to the 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 162. So 9 to the power of 2 is 9 times 9, that is 81. Then plus 3 to the power of 4 is 3 multiplied by 3 by 3 by 3. So that is 81 is equals to 162. So 81 plus 81, so we shall have 162 is equals to 162. So means that we are very correct when you now conclude by saying that our value for a is equals to 2. So that is the correct answer. So in short, this one is the verified answer. So if you loved how we've worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.